Getting reliable, high-precision GPS position with centimeter-level accuracy in the field should be simple. Whether you're a driver of a farming machine, drone, or robotics developer, or working in research. That's where Portable 2 comes in, a lightweight, high-precision GNSS RTK receiver designed to give you centimeter-level positioning in a compact form factor. At its core, Portable 2 uses the u-blox dual-band ZF9P receiver, with additional options available, including triple-band and all-band modules. In terms of connectivity, Portable 2 supports USB, Pixhawk, Bluetooth, and Bluetooth Low Energy, and is compatible with iOS, Android, Linux, and Windows. The device comes pre-configured as an RTK rover, but it can also be set up as a base station or for post-processing workflows. Portable 2 requires, but does not include, a GPS antenna. So, you can choose the one that best fits your project's needs, whether it's a small, lightweight antenna, a high-accuracy survey antenna, or a more affordable option like u-blox ANN antenna. To get started, should be simply connect antenna to the Portable 2. Power the device via USB or Pixhawk. To demonstrate its performance, we're using Portable 2 connected to SW Maps. Connect it to an RTK correction service, and that's it. You're ready for precision work. Once an RTK fix is achieved, you can record positions with 1 to 2 centimeters accuracy. Its compact and flexible design makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Carry it in your pocket for field mapping. Use it in agriculture for precision operations such as light bar guidance with your preferred app. Or, by adding an accessory cable, you can also output positioning data via RS-232 to connect directly to an autopilot system. Integrate it into drone for precision landing and navigation. Use it a portable and compact RTK base for drone mapping, or mount it on ground robots using a survey-grade antenna for maximum accuracy. For advanced users, we also offer a fully customizable version of the kit. You can choose from various u-blox, Septentrio, or Unicore GNSS modules. Select the antenna and interfaces you need, such as radio, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, and include only the components required for your project. You can also choose configuration that supports the Galileo High Accuracy Service, HAS, allowing you to achieve up to 60 centimeters accuracy even without RTK corrections or internet coverage. And if something breaks, there's no need for costly repairs. Every component is available as a spare part, allowing you to replace it yourself quickly. All parts are in stock and typically ship the next business day. You can learn more at ardusimple.com. We offer worldwide shipping in 2 to 4 business days and volume pricing starting from 50 units.